GED Math quiz. Question 1. Convert the mixed number 3 and 6/8 into an improper fraction. Option A, 9/8. Option B, 18/8. Option C, 3/14. Option D, 30/8. The correct answer is option. Multiply the whole number by the denominator and add the numerator. 3 times 8 plus 6 equals 30. This matches option D. Option A is wrong because it adds the whole number to the numerator without multiplying by the denominator. Option B is wrong because it subtracts the numerator even though the mixed number is positive. Option C is wrong because it places the whole number over a changed denominator. Question 2. A calculator shows 9% sales tax on $90. What total should be paid? Option A, $99. Option B, $8.10. Option C, $98.10. Option D, $81. The correct answer is option. Find the tax as 9% of $90 and add it to the original price, giving $98.10. This matches option C. Option A is wrong because it adds the tax rate as a dollar amount. Option B is wrong because it shows only the tax, not the full total. Option D is wrong because it subtracts the tax rate as dollars. Question 3. Simplify the ratio 10:20 so it is ready for a GED answer choice. Option A, 20:30. Option B, 2:1. Option C, 10:20. Option D, 1:2. The correct answer is option. Divide both parts by their greatest common factor, 10, to get 1:2. This matches option D. Option A is wrong because it adds instead of dividing by a common factor. Option B is wrong because it reverses the order of the comparison. Option C is wrong because it leaves the ratio unsimplified. Question 4. A fair spinner has 6 equal sections. What is the chance of not landing on section 5? Option A, 1. Option B, 6/5. Option C, 5/6. Option D, 1/6. The correct answer is option. Only one section is excluded, so 5 of the 6 sections work, giving 5/6. This matches option C. Option A is wrong because it assumes the target section is impossible. Option B is wrong because it reverses the numerator and denominator. Option D is wrong because it gives the chance of landing on the target section. Question 5. Identify the mode of 8, 10, 12, 12, 12, 14. Option A, 6. Option B, 8. Option C, 11.33. Option D, 12. The correct answer is option. The mode is the value that appears most often. 12 appears 3 times. This matches option D. Option A is wrong because it gives the range. Option B is wrong because it appears only once and is not the most frequent value. Option C is wrong because it finds the mean instead of the most frequent value. Question 6. For y equals -2x plus -5, what is y when x equals 0? Option A, 5. Option B, -5. Option C, y equals -5. Option D, -7. The correct answer is option. Substitute x equals 0, y equals -2, 0, plus -5 equals -5. This matches option C. Option A is wrong because it subtracts the intercept instead of adding it. Option B is wrong because it ignores the coefficient of x. Option D is wrong because it substitutes 1 for x instead of the given value. Question 7. A right triangle has legs 9 and 12. What is the hypotenuse? Option A, 225. Option B, 21. Option C, 3. Option D, 15. The correct answer is option. Use A superscript 2 plus B superscript 2 equals C superscript 2. 81 plus 144 equals 225, so C equals 15. This matches option D. Option A is wrong because it stops before taking the square root. Option B is wrong because it adds the legs instead of using the Pythagorean theorem. Option C is wrong because it subtracts the legs. Question 8. A table lists sales as Monday 24, Tuesday 29, and Wednesday 11. What is the 3-day total? Option A, 21.33. Option B, 53. Option C, 29. Option D, 64. The correct answer is option. Add all 3 listed values. 24 plus 29 plus 11 equals 64. This matches option D. Option A is wrong because it finds the average rather than the total. Option B is wrong because it leaves out Wednesday. Option C is wrong because it selects only the largest day. Question 9. A student has $79 and buys 8 notebooks at $8 each. How much money is left? Option A, $15. Option B, $143. Option C, $71. Option D, $64. The correct answer is option. First find the cost. 8 times $8 equals $64, then subtract from $79 to get $15. This matches option A. Option B is wrong because it adds spending to the budget. Option C is wrong because it subtracts only one notebook. Option D is wrong because it gives the amount spent, not the amount left. Question 10. Convert 5 pounds to ounces? Option A, 60 ounces. Option B, 21 ounces. Option C, 0.31 ounces. Option D, 80 ounces. The correct answer is option. There are 16 ounces in 1 pound, so 5 times 16 equals 80 ounces. This matches option D. Option A is wrong because it uses 12 as the conversion factor. Option B is wrong because it adds 16 instead of multiplying. Option C is wrong because it divides by 16. Question 11. Round 2.537 to 2 decimal places? Option A, 2.53. Option B, 2.537. Option C, cannot be determined. Option D, 2.54. The correct answer is option. Look at the digit immediately after the requested place and round to 2.54. This matches option D. Option A is wrong because it always rounds down instead of checking the next digit. Option B is wrong because it leaves the number at 3 decimal places. Option C is wrong because it adds an unsupported assumption not given in the question. Question 12. Reflect the point, -1, -3, across the x-axis? Option A, 1, 3. Option B, 1, -3. Option C, -1, 3. Option D, -3, -1. The correct answer is option. A reflection across the x-axis keeps x the same and changes the sign of y. This matches option C. Option A is wrong because it reflects across both axes. Option B is wrong because it reflects across the y-axis. Option D is wrong because it swaps coordinates instead of changing the y sign. Question 13. For the graph of y equals 1x plus 5, which slope should the line have? Option A, 0. Option B, 1. Option C, 5. Option D, -1. The correct answer is option. In y equals mx plus b, m is the slope, so the graph should rise or fall by 1 for each 1 unit of run. This matches option B. Option A is wrong because a zero slope would be a horizontal line. Option C is wrong because it identifies the y-intercept instead of the slope. Option D is wrong because it changes the sign of the slope. Question 14. Subtract 27 from 54 in a no calculator warm-up? Option A, 27. Option B, 3. Option C, 81. Option D, -27. The correct answer is option. Subtract 1s and 10s carefully. 54 to 27 equals 27. This matches option A. Option B is wrong because it subtracts only the 1's digits. Option C is wrong because it adds instead of subtracting. Option D is wrong because it reverses the subtraction order. Question 15. If a recipe uses 5/8 of 56 cups, how many cups are used? Option A, 7. Option B, 61. Option C, 51. Option D, 35. The correct answer is option. Multiply 56 by May 8th, 1/8 is 7, so 5 parts equal 35. This matches option D. Option A is wrong because it finds one denominator part but ignores the numerator. Option B is wrong because it adds the numerator to the whole amount. Option C is wrong because it subtracts the numerator instead of multiplying by the fraction. Question 16. If 12 out of 48 students passed a quiz, what percent passed? Option A, 75%. Option B, 4%. Option C, 60%. Option D, 25%. The correct answer is option. Use part divided by whole times 100. 12 divided by 48 times 100 equals 25%. This matches option D. Option A is wrong because it gives the percent who did not pass. Option B is wrong because it reverses the fraction and does not describe the part of the whole. Option C is wrong because it adds the two numbers instead of forming a fraction. Question 17. A prize is split in the ratio 2 to 3. How much does the first person get from $36? Option A, $14.40. Option B, $18. Option C, $7.20. Option D, $21.60. The correct answer is option. The total ratio has 5 parts, and the first person gets 2 of those parts, so the share is $14.40. This matches option A. Option B is wrong because it divides by only the first ratio number. Option C is wrong because it gives one ratio unit, not the first person's full share. Option D is wrong because it gives the second person's share. Question 18. A bag has 6 red, 6 blue, and 1 green marbles. What is the probability of red? Option A, 6/13. Option B, 1/2. Option C, 13/6. Option D, cannot be determined. The correct answer is option. Probability is favorable outcomes divided by total outcomes, so red is 6/13, simplified to 6/13. This matches option A. Option B is wrong because it leaves out one color from the total. Option C is wrong because it reverses favorable outcomes and total outcomes. Option D is wrong because it adds an unsupported assumption not given in the question. Question 19. Find the median of the ordered data set 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 18, 19. Option A, 8. Option B, 10.43. Option C, 5. Option D, 14. The correct answer is option. The median is the middle value when the data are ordered, with 7 values, the fourth value is 8. This matches option A. Option B is wrong because it calculates the mean instead. Option C is wrong because it chooses the lowest value rather than the middle value. Option D is wrong because it gives the range. Question 20. Find the slope through 2, -2, and 4, -4. Option A, -2. Option B, -1. Option C, cannot be determined. Option D is 0. The correct answer is option. Slope is change in y over change in x, -4 to -2, divided by 4 to 2, equals -1. This matches option B. Option A is wrong because it uses only the change in y. Option C is wrong because it adds an unsupported assumption not given in the question. Option D is wrong because it adds rise and run instead of dividing. Question 21. Using 3.14 for pi, estimate the area of a circle with radius 3? Option A, 9 square units. Option B, 9.42 square units. Option C, 28.26 square units. Option D, 18.84 square units. The correct answer is option. Circle area is pi r superscript 2, so 3.14 times 3 superscript 2 equals 28.26 square units. This matches option C. Option A is wrong because it leaves out pi. Option B is wrong because it does not square the radius. Option D is wrong because it uses the circumference formula. Question 22. Find the average of the 4 chart values 38, 10, 28, 14. Option A, 22.5. Option B, 38. Option C, 90. Option D, 28. The correct answer is option. Average means total divided by the number of values. 90 divided by 4 equals 22.5. This matches option A. Option B is wrong because it chooses only the largest value. Option C is wrong because it gives the total. Option D is wrong because it gives the range. Question 23. A worker earns $18 per hour for 10 hours. How much is earned before tax? Option A, $10. Option B, $28. Option C, $162. Option D, $180. The correct answer is option. Multiply hourly rate by hours worked. $18 times 10 equals $180. This matches option D. Option A is wrong because it uses only the hours worked. Option B is wrong because it adds rate in hours. Option C is wrong because it leaves out 1 hour of pay. Question 24. Convert 12 yards to feet? Option A, 15 feet. Option B, 36 feet. Option C, 4.00 feet. Option D, 144 feet. The correct answer is option 1 yard equals 3 feet, so 12 yards equals 36 feet. This matches option B. Option A is wrong because it adds 3 instead of multiplying, option C is wrong because it divides when it should multiply, option D is wrong because it uses inches per foot instead of feet per yard. Question 25. Change 1/8 to a decimal for a fast calculator free check? Option A is 0.1, option B is 0.12, option C is 0.23, option D is 0.01. The correct answer is option. Divide the numerator by the denominator, 1 divided by 8 equals 0.12. This matches option B. Option A is wrong because it uses 10 as the denominator instead of the actual denominator, option C is wrong because it adds an extra tenth, option D is wrong because it moves the decimal too far left.